All right, we're here. We're packing up our van. Here it is, the big picture of what it is. Beautiful. What do you think, Adeline?
It's crazy.
Yeah?
We're moving out of our house.
Yep.
So, yeah.
We're leaving tomorrow. This is our last day. So we're moving everything out today.
Yeah. Crazy. So everything's getting packed up. So like kitchen stuff, all of our food, bed. Yeah, we got this huge thing on top, which is very helpful.
This holds a lot of things.
Yeah.
Multiple suitcases could fit in there, believe it or not. So we got everything in here. We got our bed that we sleep on, that folds out, and we got our cooler. This is supposed to keep ice for 3 days. Supposedly.
It's very nice, has some pockets in there.
Yeah.
And then these both fold up. So we got some storage underneath there.
This will be like our clothes and so that'll be our dresser.
And the middle ones for stuff that we won't use a lot because it's kind of the hardest to get to. And then
but that lifts up as well and to other stuff.
Yeah, okay. We haven't done this side too much, but it's gonna be like our
camping
generator.
Gear.
Yeah, stuff that we need to get on a regular basis.
Yeah.
And then working on our little kitchen over here. So we got some kitchen supplies, salt, pepper.
Yeah, let's go.
That, and then we have our little pantry down here. So just some little things so far. We have our old tapes. Dean Martin and
that one's broken now.
got it on bar.
This is what it looks like up in the front. We got in here our driver's seat. Bam. Got hair product right there. Perfect. And a knife. Pocket knife. In case we need that at all. And we got our Bluetooth maker, generator thing to plug in, and our garbage, of course, and our FCA cup. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you, Jeff.
And then our fans.
Much needed.
Can't forget about the fans because our AC does not work, and so we have to rely on the windows and the fans for the next month.
We'll survive. In Kansas, probably going to be a challenge, but that's okay.
Yeah. No, it'll be good. And then right here, this is our movie theater. It plays VHSs, but the screen is red when it does it. So I'm not sure that I don't think we'll do that while we're here. But it's pretty fancy. This is our home.
It's crazy.
Crazy. Thanks for coming along with us. And we'll hope to make more videos along the way. So follow along.